this little performance is just a little bit of our side of what Lily's dating life was like since we've known her. So the songs that we have and the dance that they're going to do is going to tell about Lily. Okay, so back in New Zealand, Lily used to be so stubborn to guys. Every time they talk to her, she doesn't really listen to them or anything like that. So this is what boys usually say, see or think when they first see Lily. Okay, after they talk to her and get to know Lily, this is what they usually say to her after that.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I look to you as a friend, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes or a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, red sheets, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. It's hard to look like without you, baby, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe, and I'll be up the boys. Try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe.
Okay, so all these guys were after Lily, but there was one that won her heart with a box of donuts.
Yo, hear me now. Song and love song. Introduction to you, sister. Revelations. Singing early.
Despacito, I see what you mean, and I know for sure the feeling in my ear. The sun rises so high, looking my ear, and I look tells me that you wanna be with me. Baby, I know that you like me. Come and tell me. Don't be so shy, baby, please just stay on mine. I'll be all locked up, but no, I want out of mine. I need to know how you really feel about me.
Okay, and so Lily, being the stubborn person that she is, she tried to run away. She tried to go to America, but Malachi stopped her. And this is...
Yeah, let's go. Hey, you gotta bounce this like this. You almost gotta watch it. Escape.
we're gonna ask Lily to please come up and sing this last song to Malachi. Can you come join the girls, please? Lily? And this is when she finally got Kirsty and now is married to Malachi Hayford.
Bring the beat in. Honey, honey, I can see the sun all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Ask me why I'm flying up from ear to ear. I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. And finally you put me down. Baby, it's you're the one I'm always about. When I need to make everything stop, finally you put my life on top. You put my life on top.
Oh, pas mai. Không có bao lâu cái câu mà hai có như cái program vào có phần đầu vào có đi rồi. Hầu hốc cái tàu luôn vào xin. Rồi, học rồi phải.
Lo, me amai ki lotu e ta fra to lu ma fa ske ta o fe fine. Pe to mama he ke ka lei ba tua.
Ari así que me hago en la María Coloa. Todo macho acá lo que también no puede pasar. Ko kana ki no ki whanau mai ai ki no no ke plahe program whau mitua. Ko ki ma whana pe tau. Ko ki kore atu ki tau whantua tau whani ni mau whanga mai mitua ka tau whawawā veka kai te tau sāmane.